Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to my March kit lineup video. How are we already filming a kit lineup for March? This is bonkers to me. Like, I'm actually baffled. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So we will start off with my filming planner, and this is for the week of the 4th of March. I showed the week commencing the 26th of February in my February kit lineup. So we have afternoon tea here. So this is the week of Mother's Day in the UK. This was January 2023 mystery from Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly for 10% off and a PR freebie, which are these. There's 6 of them. They're this spring freebie set at the moment. But yeah, you'll just get a random one. This is one of those. And why will you not focus, little camera? Anyway, not the point. So this is the kit. This is also the week of my cousin's wedding, but I feel like this is a mixture of wedding. I can justify using this for a wedding, and it is Mother's Day on the Sunday, so she's getting married on Saturday, then it's Mother's Day on the Sunday. So because this was a mystery kit, I've put one of Boxing Day's blue freebies with this. Because it was a mystery kit, we do have the mystery add-on, so you've got the extra sheet there, the glitter add-on and the box add-on, as well as extra girls and a mixture of different cards and stuff. So there's, if you're American, there's the other spelling of mom, and there's Happy Mother's Day in 2 different little cards there, like alternate to this, and it's kind of similar to this, but it's a completely different full box. So this one is like an alternate to this, and then there's an extra box there as well, and then the 15mm add-on. Because this is a very monochrome blue kit, I had to stick with the blue, and I am using this blue hollow foil, which, yeah, it is a blue hollow. I'll show you on the washi page because that's always where hollow's the best. So it's just in the confetti. It's from Scribble Prints Co. It is in the not new icons but new scripts format there. And then the underlays I am pulling in are also blue, but a completely different shade of blue, much darker blue, sort of more like this. So we've got the lighter blue here and then the darker blue underlays, and these are Daisy Dot from my shop, and they are just a solid blue. They're absolutely stunning. Really excited for this absolute explosion of blue, and I think, yeah, it'll be great for both the wedding and for Mother's Day. So that is the first week of March. This might be my first full week of work, because the strikes are during my phase returns, so I don't know how that will work. Anyway, so for the week of the 11th of March, I am using this blossoming kit. This is art by Kinish Jess, and it's Plannerface's version, of course. In fact, all of March in my memory planner, in my on-camera planner, is Plannerface. There's a reason I PR for her. But the reason I wanted to use this for my first full week of work is this toolbox. This just, A, this is really bright and colourful and positive, and B, look at this toolbox. It is just perfect for somebody that's been struggling with their mental health, and literally sometimes all you can do is survive. Choose happy. Like, it's just so perfect for this, I think. So this is, so the old kit was a old format. This is the current format from Plannerface. This is a very new kit, and look at that yellow. We know how I love a yellow, and that bonne manger. Yeah, we know how I love a yellow in a kit. So this is the format. Obviously, I've shown you the toolbox add-on, which I had to get, and I also have the 50mm add-on and the box add-on. To pull in, I've got these yellow icons from Scribble Prints Co. And then I decided I really struggled with foil for this kit. I'm looking at it now and I'm like, oh, is this the right foil? But I love the flowers and stuff. But give me 1 second, I'll show you an alternate foil and let me know in the comments down below which you think I should use. So the alternate is this bright pink glitter foil. It's kind of pinky purple, which is why I'm reluctant, because it doesn't seem to match very well, but I love how much brighter and more colourful this is, whereas this was the Oops foil from the Advent from Plannerface. But what I love about this is it's got like the flowers and suns and like happy vibes. So yeah, I'll show you both. Let me know in the comments which you think I should use. So this is like a pale pink. Essentially, they didn't put the silver backing on this. This is why this is oops, because the colour is wrong. But I think it's a really nice, pretty subtle pink anyway. So you've got 2 pages of the 4-box overlays, 2 pages of the bougie, and your bottom washi page. This was the summer one, and obviously it's March, so it's definitely not summer. So yeah. And then this foil bundle I think is probably the same as the last format. So you've got the bright pink, 2 of the full boxes. Now I can't find the washi for this kit. So in my last video, in my last kit lineup, I couldn't find the washi page for one of the kits, but I've just found that like in the last couple of days, and now I can't find it for that one. I pulled this kit out to like use as an alternative for that. It'll turn up. Anyway, last but not least, we have the underlays, which I think match the bright, colourful, flowery vibe just perfectly. These are in Malibu foil, which isn't a foil that is currently available in my shop because I can't get any more of it because I adore this foil. It's one of my favourites. But yeah, so this is that, and yeah, literally obsessed with that. So let me know in the comments down below which foil bundle do we want to go Plannerface, and the more like muted foil but like matches colour better. Like look, it kind of really matches this pink. Or do we want to go sort of pinky purple? Or do you have another foil that you think would work better? Let me know in the comments down below. Next up, we have the week of the 18th of March, and we are sticking with the advent in that we have like a full advent kit here. So this is Spring Cottage. This came in the Plannerface advent this year, so we have lots and lots of add-ons for this. So it's really gorgeous, really springy cottage vibe. I love this scene. This isn't anything particular, just it's spring, and I think this kit is gorgeous and I want to use it. So again, this is the normal kit format, but then we do have lots of add-ons because it was with the advent. So our first add-on is these washi icons. These actually came with the journaling kit, but they are like on a washi paper, so they're slightly transparent. They're very big, so I don't know how I'm going to use them, but we have those. We have the toolbox add-on. We've got some extra boxes / skin tones. We've got the deco add-on. Did we see that in Blossoming? Have I lost that? I hope not. So back to this, we've got the 50mm add-on. I've pulled out some another icon sheet from an old Plannerface advent to go with this because I think the colours really match. Got the box add-on and the glitter add-on. And then I thought I would stay true to the advent and pull it in the foil that was designed to go with this kit. So this is the spring hollow foil. So these are your full boxes, your bougie, which I am going to layer, and your bottom washi page, and then I'm going to layer them with my rose, which isn't showing very well in this light. There we go, much better with my rose foil, and I just think that will look great under the hollow foil. So that is for the week of the 18th of March. Then lastly, we have the week of the 25th of March, which is the last week of March. March nicely ends on a Sunday. So we have Dear Reader. April is my 30th birthday month, so April is probably just going to be birthday kits or stuff I love kits. Haven't decided yet, but this is Dear Reader. I think the colours are super spring. I'm really loving reading at the moment, so yeah, this just seems ideal. So these are your full boxes. I'm not gonna like look at that like bottom washi. I love like the paint swatchy vibe. Oh, it's just stunning. But yeah, this is the kit. I've pulled out these icons to go with it because they're the goldy yellow. Then we have different skin colours and stuff there because Anna's a babe and includes those. The icon and deco page, 50mm washi add-on, and the box add-on. I've decided to go rose gold with this. I really love rose gold for like February and March. I just think it gives like a really nice romantic-y warm vibe for spring. So this is Anna's rose gold. So it is like a true rose gold. So it's the confetti format. I don't know how well you can see that. There you go. So you get 2 pages of your full boxes, your bougie, which I am going to layer again, and the bottom washi, toolbox, and date covers and scripts. And I am going to be layering that again with my rose. This is my book little washi, which I just my book underlay, which I think is just perfect. What have I done here? There we go, and that's for the week of the 25th of March, and that's the end of March in my filming planner. For my pre-planner, I am going to use this Princess Academia kit. I just think it's really cute, and I don't like it, just gives me March vibes, February or March vibes, and as I said, I'm loving reading, so this is for my, look at that bottom washi, wow. I kind of wish I was using this in a vertical planner so I could like have the full impact of that washi, because I cut the washi into like half a 15mm quite a lot of the time, though maybe I'll just keep that as 15mm. We've got the washi add-on. I get the same add-ons no matter where I'm going to use it, because I haven't decided where I'm going to use it when I order it. We've got different skin tones and the deco, and then the box add-on. So yeah, I just have a kit for that, and I just like pull it in over the whole month. So that is March's kit for my pre-planner. Then last but not least, we are on to my off-camera planner, and this is meant to be just my simpler planner to use up some kits and also just to, you know, have somewhere to plan off camera. So we are back to the first week of March, which is the week of the 4th of March. As I said before, this is also my cousin's wedding, so we're going a little bit more wedding-y with this. So this was November's mystery kit. You could use this for lots of things, but I felt with a wedding foil bundle this would work perfectly, and like, I'm not that pinky or girly, like this isn't the colour scheme I would choose for a birthday or a party kit for me. So it just kind of works perfectly, and it's my off-camera planner, so I'm sort of slightly less bothered. You've got the extra colour, which is like the goldy things there. You've got some toolboxes and some additional girl boxes. So this is Kitnish Jess art, and then you've got the deco. Then I have kind of a just married foil bundle. This is an old format foil bundle from my shop. I also just pulled in scripts and icons rather than printing the scripts and icon page, because it is in gold foil, so I have no need to print and cut more icons and stuff, because I've got loads of scripts and icons in gold. So I do just have a selection, and then the underlay is just the same ring bougie, so nice and wedding-y. The wedding part is definitely pulled in with the foil. I know that first kit isn't super wedding-y, but I think it works. Sticking with like going back to work, so for the week of the 11th, I am using this Caress Press Busy Bee kit. I did show this as an honourable mention in my February kit lineup, but I am using it in my off-camera planner, and I do still have the two foil bundles, and I'm not yet decided what I'm going to do, because I shouldn't use 2 foil bundles in this planner. So I'm a bit of a loss. I might just use the green, because I'll use the gold for something else, I'm sure. Anyway, so these are 4 boxes. This is an old Caress Press format, which is also ideal for using my off-camera planner, because I don't use any extenders in there, so I don't need as much. I got the red-haired fashion add-on, the pinky strip, your date covers and bottom washi. I've pulled in apparently this sampler from Plannerface, and I also have the brown hair add-on, who knows, for icons and stuff. This was pulled out for my main planner, but I've not gone with that. And then we have 2 identical foil bundles, and I'm going to show you the green one because I think that's the one I'm more likely to go with. But this is the B format from my shop, and this is in the new format, but I did just throw this together for myself, so there might be some changes before it comes to shop. You've got your map page, your scripts and icons, and your bougie. So that is that. We do have exactly the same foil bundle, the same 6 pages in gold as well. Haven't quite decided what I'm doing. Again, let me know in the comments down below what you think I should do, though this may have already gone down because I'm quite ahead in my off-camera planner at the moment, because I am loving having some time to plan in my own time. On to the 18th, we have the only Plannerface kit in the off-camera planner, and this is Woodland from Plannerface. This was also in an advent. We're having an advent heavy week. I'm trying to like use up some kits that I've had for a while in this planner, and just use up kits that I've had for a while in both planners. But this is Woodland. Again, it's just great spring vibes this week in my planners. There's nothing special particularly, so I'm just going with spring vibes. This is the this came with the kit. We've got the 15mm washi add-on. We've got a couple of pages that came with the advent, so we have some clear, this is clear matte, and then we've got some different icons there. We've got toolboxes, and we've got additional girl boxes, the box add-on, and the glitter add-on. And with this I decided to peel in green. Is this a green hollow? Yes, it is a green hollow, so I will just show that green hollow with that there. So this is the same confetti format we've seen a few times, but yeah, we've just got that green hollow. It's a bit bright for the kit really, but it works and I'm happy with that choice, so we're going with it. So that is for the week of the 18th. Last but certainly not least, the week of the 25th of March, we have this April 2022 mystery from Pink Diamond Plannerface. This is very old format, she's not even doing a mystery anymore, but yeah, I just think this is a really pretty, again, spring vibe kit, and I had nothing particularly special. I wanted to do it with this. I had an extra of the winter freebie icon, so I thought that matched this really well. I've got a 50mm Scribble Prints Co add-on to use with this because this only has this 15mm, and then I am using lavender hollow foil with it from Crest Press in the dandelion, because I just feel like that matches really well. There's butterflies rather than dandelions in the kit, but I love it anyway. I think her kits go this way. So that's your extra boxes, your bottom washi, script and icon, and your 2 pages of bougie. So yeah, that is it for my off-camera planner. Okay, so that is it for this month lineup. We've got my filming planner here, so we have 4 Plannerface kits for that. My pre-planner, which is again Plannerface, and then my off-camera, we've got a lot more variety, so we've got Scribble Prints Co, Crest Press, Plannerface, and Pink Diamond Planner Co. Let me know what your favourite kit I'm using and what you think about that foil with both of these two kits, which are the same week. Weird. And if you think I should change any of my foil pairings, or what your favourite foil pairing I'm using is. That's the words I'm trying to say. I really love the interlace for this. Anyway, that's all for this video. Comment, like down below, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!